Hello there, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel, trying to get my Valley Girl Accent Tour badge, Valvo. And today we're totally talking about, like, terms. Did I get it? First off, let's quickly revisit terms. A term is a number by itself or the product of a number and a variable, or more than one variable. So for example, we could have 5, a number by itself, x, a variable by itself, 7y, the product of a number and a variable, or 16mn squared, the product of a number and more than one variable. In an expression, terms are separated by an addition calculation, meaning either a plus or minus sign. So for example, in the expression 5x plus 3y plus 12, the addition calculations are here, and the terms are here, 5x, 3y, and